Well, interesting piece of blue and white. There's not one we see particularly often. It's made by the Salem China company in Staffordshire, and the pattern is English Village. Let's just have a look at this. Quite an old piece this. You can see the glaze crazing on the base here and quite extensive over the surface of the cup, but it's in very good condition with no staining. Lovely sort of floral, I say floral, the saucer inner rim has got this sort of floral rose design on it. Again, glaze crazing all around the antique glaze on the inner rim of this, but it's a pastoral English village scene with a stream running through and the pattern repeated front and rear on this teacup almost seamlessly. And on the saucer plate, again, that little 3 sectional cottage with the stream and bridge across it with this lovely English rose border and some sort of hatched out background colour. Lifts it really well. The cloud detailing in this is really quite charming. This one's got the nice markings on it. English Village, Salem China Company, Olde, Staffordshire. Finest English ironstone, hand engraved, permanent colours. Probably 1940s, 1950s, maybe a little earlier, could be 1930s this. Lovely set, quite unusual, a little bit different from the usual blue and white, taking away from the willow we've been listing all week. Just the one of these as well, so again it's a little unusual for collectors to look at. Not come across much output from the Salem China Company before, so we'll do a little bit of research and see what we find out about them and try and pop some details in the listing. Product link below will take you directly to the listing for this teacup and saucer. Please be aware of the condition of the glaze that we've brought to your attention, but it's perfectly usable, but I wouldn't put it through a dishwasher or a microwave or anything. I'd be a little cautious and hand wash this or just display it. Thanks for watching.